Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to scan QR code on your latest Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung devices. In this video, I will show you two different methods to quickly scan the QR code. First method is open the camera application on your device. Tap on a dots settings. Tap on a setting gear icon. Now here you can find the scan QR code option. Make sure to toggle on this option on your device. Now scan any QR code on your phone. Here we use this QR code. Now open the camera application on your device and you can see it will automatically scan the QR code. You can see the site name. Tap on it to go to their website or use QR code on your device. So you can also use swipe down the notification panel on your device. In the quick setting tile, you can find the scan QR code option on your device. So tap on scan QR code. Now it will automatically scan QR code. You can see the option available on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device. You can open the link, copy, share link. Here we open the link. Now you can quickly access. Make sure internet working on your device. So you can easily scan the QR code using this method on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung device. That's it. Like it, share it.